What's the number of prophet and why they were sent? Prophets have come to guide human and jinn nations. They were MASUM. To demonstrate their authenticity, they performed hard works and a lot of miracles. That is not possible for other people. All these actions are called mu'jiza among the prophet. The first prophet was the Prophet Adam, alayhis salam, and the last, our Prophet Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wasallam. All the other prophets have passed the time between them. Among them, the Prophet Noah, alayhis salam, Prophet AIYUB, alayhis salam, Prophet YAKUB, alayhis salam. Prophet SULAIMAN, alayhis salam, Prophet MUSA, alayhis salam, Prophet HARUN, alayhis salam. Prophet YAHYA, alayhis salam, Prophet JAKARIA, alayhis salam, Prophet YOUSUF, alayhis salam, Prophet DAUD, alayhis salam. The fact is that Allah Pak is their number, and our duty to believe in them all is obligatory. In some traditions the number of prophets is mentioned. Hazrat Abu Jah, radiyallahu ta'ala anhu, to Imam Ahmad described. A person asked the Prophet Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wasallam about the number of prophets. Then he said 124,000. 313 of them are messengers. In some traditions 224,000 have been called. Therefore, it is important for us to believe in all of them by keeping the number of prophets uncertain. So from the above discussion, it was understood that prophet messengers were sent to guide the people of human and jinn. And only Allah knows their exact number. And we have to believe this as a Muslim.